Today's content is going to be fire because, well, we're making the fire. So as the youth say, let's get things lit. I am so sorry. Please forgive me for that intro. My goal is to attract the younger generation, and that was my absolutely failed attempt to do so. Hello and welcome to the #1 source, rated by yours truly, of important information pertaining your present or future big green egg. My name is Aaron Woolhite, and it's my absolute privilege to take you on this exciting journey into learning the ways of the egghead community. For thousands of years, fire started with natural materials, and I think the cavemen had it right by using all natural fuel and chemical-free ignition methods. Great news, we don't have to rub two sticks together. And here at Big Green Egg, we didn't just reinvent the wheel, we just made it faster. So pause the video and head on over to your local Big Green Egg dealer and pick up our SpeediLight natural charcoal starters or our new twisters. SpeediLight sticks are 5 inches and are designed to touch more charcoal surface area at once for a fast, even light, making them a great everyday option for any cook. Twisters pack twice the fuel mass of a standard starter and can get you to cooking temperature up to 25% faster, making them the better pick when you're in a hurry or need a more powerful, high heat start. Once you have those in your possession, it's time to get crackling. Fill the firebox with Big Green Egg natural lump charcoal, because why would you use anything that's less than the best? Do not use briquettes, lighter fluid, or self-lighting charcoal. Why? Because you don't want to admit that you can't light a fire naturally. I'm joking, but I'm not. But for real, why not briquettes? Briquettes have chemical additives and fillers, which creates inconsistent burns. Why not lighter fluids? Have you ever smelled lighter fluid? Imagine that taste in your meal. And also, inconsistent burns and unpredictable flare-ups. Whoa, editing Aaron here. It's worth noting that chemical additives can also seep into the ceramic and permanently change the taste of food coming from your egg, even if it's only one time. And why not self-lighting charcoal? Really? There's a reason the Book for Dummies series didn't write one for the Big Green Egg, because it's essentially dummy-proof with all natural fuel. Are you noticing a common theme here? We're keeping things natural. And speaking of natural, you need the #1 all-natural ingredient of oxygen to make fire. So open the bottom draft door and regulator cap fully to maximize the airflow. Using the SpeediLight natural charcoal starters, grab 1 stick and nestle it into the charcoal. Light it with a long matcha lighter and close the dome. Just let nature work its magic. If you went the twister route, do the exact same thing. Nestle 1 in the middle and light it, close the dome, and it's really that simple. Whichever method you choose, just make sure there's plenty of airflow around your ignition method. And there you have it, life's oldest joys sitting right inside your Big Green Egg. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Give this video a like if you learned something new, and remember, if it's not natural, it's probably not practical.